Hello, Reece from my law firm here. Before I begin, I want to let you know that this information is general in nature and is not to be construed as legal advice, because every family law situation is different, and I would encourage you to speak to your assigned family lawyer about your specific circumstances. One of the most frequently asked questions I get asked is the BFA enforceable? The short answer to that question is it is, as long as you comply with the requirements of it. There are probably three main areas where BFAs can be set aside or declared void. The first and foremost one is full and frank disclosures required by both parties. That is, you have to share everything, all assets, all liabilities, the exotic car, the shares, the art, doesn't matter what it is. If it's something that you want to protect and keep separate from a separation, in terms of if you do separate and not forming part of the separation pool, just list it. Second area is the area of undue influence, coercion, pressure. So you cannot place any conditions on a BFA. You can't turn around to one party and say that I'm not going to sponsor you, you can't live with me, or not going to marry you. You just cannot put any conditions whatsoever on that. And the third one, it needs to be fair and equitable. So, the majority of the BFAs that we prepare have a starting point of, what's yours is yours, what's mine is mine, and what we build together is by either mutual agreement or financial contribution or whatever agreement you reach, which is fine. What is considered unfair, the best example I could give was a potential client who was worth north of $20 million plus, wanted his future wife to accept that if she did leave him, that she would be happy with $75,000 per child, which is, quite frankly, totally unacceptable, which no courts would even accept that sort of term. So it's an unfair and unequitable type arrangement. So look, if you can tick those three boxes, full and frank disclosure, no undue influence, and fair and reasonable, fair and equitable, then your BFA will be binding and enforceable upon you both. Bye for now.